everybody. So today is our back workout. We're using a few dumbbells, we're using a tree, we're using some tension straps and a PVC pipe to get an amazing back workout out here in the elements around us. We are up in Woods Canyon, Arizona, living on forest land, teaching people nationwide to get fit and healthy and inspiring people to live the life of their dreams. So here's today's back workout. I hope you enjoy it. Our homemade gym out here in the forest in Woods Canyon. A PVC pipe, a tree, and 2 tension straps. Make an awesome pull-up bar. You can go wide grip, you can go close grip, you can go chin-ups, you can go medium grip. Oh my God. Okay, some inverted rows using 2 tension straps, a PVC pipe, and a large pine tree. Out here in our outdoor gym, Woods Canyon, we're training in today. Nice. Okay, we got some close grip, up and over, pull-ups, in the tree, with our straps. So that concludes our back workout for today. So it's just every day do a little bit of something. All those little bits add up. You may be able to maybe just run 10 minutes in the morning and then get 10 minutes in the afternoon. Or if you don't have an hour to get a workout in, just jump down, do some push-ups, do some rows. All the little activities that you do throughout the day add up, and then pretty soon you're going to find yourself healthy and energetic, and the more energy you have, the better your life is going to be, and then the more you're able to work out. So all the little things add up. This is our back workout. You don't need a fancy gym to get the body of your dreams. Work out anywhere that you can, and hope you have a great day. Follow our journey, and we'll be teaching you some more workouts as we go along. Peace out. Have a great day. We are the Healthy Overlanders.